Hi. My name is Yoshi Raz. I am a Reiki Master Teacher since 1999. Welcome to the Usui Reiki 1 program. Reiki training at the first level of Reiki is an experiential journey into the subtle world of energy. But at first, I would like to tell my personal story and how I came to the Reiki world. I had a pain that runs up and down my shins when I was walking. It has gotten so bad that my legs would shake after walking. I couldn't deal with it, so I went to a doctor and he said there was no sign of any disease or medical problem. My girlfriend suggested that I go for a Reiki treatment. I was quite skeptical, but the pain in my legs overwhelmed me. Finally, I went to Reiki. After one treatment, I felt tremendous relief. After 3 treatments, the pain almost disappeared. I decided to study Reiki. I found myself in a Reiki 1 class, taught by Dr. Aram. He was a Reiki master teacher. At the end of the class, my teacher instructed me to practice on myself every day. Only 4 days into my Reiki self-care, the pain began to diminish, and only 3 days later, the pain totally gone. I was amazed of the power of this healing energy called Reiki, and the relief it brought to me. I decided to become a licensed Reiki master teacher in 1999. In January of 2000, I opened the doors to the Reiki Home School, where I've taught and practiced. Having served thousands of students on this beautiful Reiki 1 path has brought me more joy than I ever imagined. One of my greatest joys is to see the reaction of students when they first realize they have a beautiful healing energy flowing through them. I wish you to practice the amazing path of Reiki in a fun and passionate way.